Hey, what is going on? In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm here with my Bertello pizza oven. It's a Shark Tank invention. Mr. Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, invested in them, and now they sent me a pizza oven. So you're going to see videos coming soon, but today I'm unboxing the whole package that they gave me. So let's get right into it. Open this thing up. And here we go. I'm excited to see what this is. I've been in talks with them for a little bit. They wanted to give me a pizza oven to make some videos for everyone to see. And I can't wait. I love making pizza, so. We got the bundle here. It's not just the pizza oven, so we got a lot of everything. Not really sure how it all works. I know it's gas and wood powered. So it gives you that gas, easy convenience, but that wood flavor from the smoke. So this is a little pamphlet. We'll look at that later. Here's gonna be the pizza tray. We're gonna have to put this together, I guess. Or no, it already is together. But I don't know if that moves. I don't know. We don't want to break things out here. Oh, you untwist it, and then I think it moves. Here, let's try. Untwist, and then we could turn it. Yep, and then we'll twist it right back in. And you twist it back in, and now we'll be able to get our pizzas out. Come on now. You see that flop? Alright, let's get this out of the way. Oh, there's a ton of stuff in here. We got this inferno thermometer, so we could see, I guess, how hot this pizza gets. It's pretty cool. Can't wait to use this. Now it's the actual oven, and I don't want to mess with it too much because we're gonna have to put this together right after. But that's a later problem. So let's open this up. Mamma mia, I can't get this off. Oh, it's two different things. It's wrapped like that. So I think this is for the gas. I would have to guess. Yeah, it looks like this is for the gas. So it's something like this. Put this on the gas, this will power it. No idea how. We're gonna have to read that later. Not really sure what this is for. We're gonna have to figure these out. Gotta figure this out. A lot of instructions. So this is an outdoor pizza oven also. I forgot to say. So this is waterproof cover for it. We'll use this later. We got some tongs. And you know what you do when you get some tongs. You got them. I had to do that once. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. I can iron my clothes, guys. Not really sure what this is for yet, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, this thing is heavy duty. Like, look how big this box was, guys. I was not expecting that. There's just some Gorilla here. So what we're gonna do is place this, make sure there's nothing left in the box. Nah, nothing left in the box. So you know what we're gonna do? Throw the box away. Now let's open this pizza oven. This is a heavy duty oven. I'm really excited. I'm actually gonna be having some friends over later for UFC, and we're gonna be firing up mad pizzas for the boys. Let's open it up a little. Let's get all this stuff out. So this is the bundle. So they sell just the oven, I believe, by themselves. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put a link in the description of where you can access them. They're on sale right now, and they're actually doing a giveaway on their Instagram at the time they're recording. So go check their Instagram also, and you might be able to win one of these for yourself. Trust me, the family will love you. There we go. We finally got this out. This looks like the pizza stone. We'll put the pizza on. So we're gonna keep this wrapped up. So here we got the oven. Now we got this little box. No idea what's in the box. Does the box inside the box? Okay. Is this not what I already opened? Huh? So this is the Bertello pizza oven. This is the value pack where you get everything you're gonna need for this thing. Like, look at this thing. It's heavy duty. It's gonna take gas and wood. Like I said, it's a Shark Tank product. Bertello's pizza oven. Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, invested in it and himself. Now I'm super excited to fire this up tonight. Once I get used to cooking on it, you'll be seeing some videos, some reels on here and some shorts. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned. They have more stuff coming too soon. They have a pizza maker oven like this that's gonna spin the pizza around in it. But trust me, man, this looks crazy. I can't wait to make some pizzas tonight. Super excited. Thank you to everyone at Bertello for making this happen. I can't wait to fire this up. It looks fantastic. All the pizzas online that I've seen from this thing look fantastic. I'm from Jersey, so we love our pizza here. We usually make it right. So I can't wait to see what this does. And then maybe you can get it for yourself and continue to make great pizza right at home. So thank you for watching my unboxing video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna be bringing you more awesome cookie videos very soon. So stay tuned.